It's now time to check the catch can to see how much oil we've captured since we've installed it. Put a couple 100 kilometers on. Let's see. Oh, that's hot. I didn't think of that being on. Yeah. We have some oil. Not a whole lot, but you know, that's not going back into it. So it's doing what it's supposed to. Just emptied it. Didn't really need to, by any means. I tell you what though, it's warm right now. Real warm. I think next time I'd wait until she was a little cooler.